Right, got the weld a bit closer and keep on going. I don't like pulling on the cords, you see. It's detrimental to the cords. Torches cord wafting. I've also gone down to 54 amps. It was on, what did I say, 60, 62, something like that. That was too much. You can really tell it's the inverter welder when you listen to it. That's the way it goes crank and fires up. You can see it get over 60 volts. In starting up to actually flash a weld off like this. So it's got quite a bit of crap when it starts. It's got that tacked into position. It's because the tray is by far in the worst condition of the whole tray. I think someone must have left. Something sitting in it for a long period of time, the damage that's on it. It's my first time FLUCCORE welding with this. And look, it punches out steel and it sticks things together, so I can't be too upset. Stuff I'm welding is disgraceful. So go easy on me. I really need to put some steel here, because if something rolls up this end of the tray, or like, obviously a wheel's never going to sit here when I've got something on the back of the truck, but I don't want to be unable to put stuff up here. The rails underneath aren't bad, but the part of the tray here is just shagged. So I'm going to go along and just keep stitching right through there, and probably only fill the gap up a little bit to, I'd rather the tray a bit flatter, so I'll put this one here and I'll see how many other patches I've got, and we'll just patch it up for now. I'd love to go and buy a couple of full new sheets, not quite in the budget right now. A couple of full sheets would be beautiful. We could fill this in and we'd be all sweet, but time and money are hard things to come by. What we'll do is we'll repair this for now and get this thing out and working so that it can start generating some money. And if it does, we'll either replace it with something better, or spend some time and effort fixing her up. I'll just zap a few more things while I've got you on camera. If you want to know anything about the MAGMATE 150, shoot me a question. I've had a few questions about them. People are have had very different experiences with them. Some good, some bad. Mine personally, I'm not having any issues with. But I haven't used it heaps either. So we'll give it some work, and I might be able to help you with commenting on its performance after I do a bit more with it. Zap up a few more bits and then call this video a day. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to weld from here on in. If you want to watch and listen, feel free. If not, catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.